Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share about how to make an island table in a kitchen. First of all, you have to select this tools. This is a rotated rectangle right here. Then you can adjust the dimension of this island table. You can set the 1500 millimeter, and then you can adjust the width of the table. It's around 1000 millimeter, right? And then you have to adjust this table. You can push it up until it's around to 750 millimeter right here. You can, and then after that you can adjust the front side of the table. You can adjust this support of the table. You can use offset and please type 50 millimeter. Okay, and then you can adjust it right here until it's around 350 millimeter. And you also adjust this side is around 50 millimeter. Then you can adjust it. It's around 400 millimeter. Right? Okay, after that you have to make it group, and you can make a diagonal line with line, and you can select it and move to make a thickness. You can set it's around 30 millimeter. Then you can complete this line like this. Okay, then you have to push it to the front right here, and you can make a shelf with a rectangle, and then you have to push and pull it until upside. You can type 30 millimeter like this, and just make it group, and please move this move this line only until it touch the sloping shelf right here. Then you can move and duplicate it on the top like here. Okay. And then you can make it complete for this shelf cabinet. You can set the top table with a terrazzo, but you have to make it thin, more thin first. Then you just select this area and select copy and edit, paste in place here. Then you can pull it up with the table thickness as you want. You can select material right here. You can select a synthetic surface, maybe you can select it, and you can select this laminate cabinet, and after that you can select this laminate cabinet. Okay, thanks for watching. Please involve yourself to make a more complex object. Thank you.